Hello, and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC is getting somewhat interesting, at least it's worth watching. I've been speaking about this, I've been talking about this potential diagonal count, which might be unfolding for a few weeks now, right? And this is the bullish breakout count. But it takes a breakout, to confirm that the white scenario is clearly leading. At the moment, just looking at it objectively, both are very, very similar, right? I mean, overall, we need to understand that overall, the expectation is still for a bullish outcome. So that's sort of the main thesis. Within that bullish outcome, I see two possible pathways. I see one pathway in which the low is already in. So this entire correction that started around the 28th of December completed here on the 13th of April. I mean, that's one scenario in which the low is already in. And then we would be moving up from there in a larger degree third wave to $1.76 plus. See, that's a third wave rally, which could have started already. But to really confirm that, I need to see 5 waves up first in the white count. And that is what I highlighted in the last few days as speculative count. It will become more plausible and increase in probabilities if there is a break above that 77-cent level, which is the swing high that formed on the 6th of May, here around 77.8 cents, 77.7. So MATIC might be doing that. It just hasn't happened yet. Okay, we haven't broken out. Important is that this analysis gives us a few levels to watch. So if we've really bottomed in wave 2, a few things should happen. First of all, we need to hold, this is for the white count, the main invalidation point, the 63.3 cent level. Better actually would be if we're holding even the yesterday's low, this wave 2. I've added a micro count to this chart. So if this low breaks, it's not so much of a disaster for the white count, but ideally it holds. But what's really must hold to keep the white count is alive is the 1st of May low. But already if we break below yesterday's low, it already will mean that the bulls have failed. I think there's a good chance for an upside breakout. I think probabilities have certainly increased already, not just looking at the MATIC chart, but looking at Bitcoin and what it's doing. So it might really be we see a bit of an breakout this week, maybe even today or tomorrow. And yeah, I mean, the milestone targets are 88 cents for the third wave in white. And then we would get a fourth wave pullback. I shared with you yesterday that these fourth wave pullbacks would usually reach the 100% or the 78.6 extensions. So between 76 and 80 cents. And then a fifth wave should take us to like 93 cents. So this is what I'm still watching for a potential bullish count. At the same time, the yellow count, which I think is losing control already. So I'm leaning towards a breakout, also looking at what ETH is doing, Bitcoin is doing, but we're not out of the woods. So I'm telling you two key levels, especially this wave 2 low and the larger degree wave 2 low. If they break, then the wave 5 should send us down in one more low. Good is obviously if we now see a bit of a rally and then we get one more low, then at least that fifth wave has a good chance of finding support within the larger yellow main support area for MATIC. So that's all good at the moment. 58 cents would be the next, let's say, downside support level to watch, target, you could say. And then below that, I've got the 54 cent level, which is the 88.7 fib level. That's normally deeper than I normally want a wave 2 to go. So ideally, we're holding 58.2. And then from there, we should be good for a larger degree third wave rally, either directly or after one more low. If these 5 waves fill in white, then we have a confirmation that a low formed on the 13th of April. And this 5 wave move up should then be followed by a 3 wave pullback, like a subsequent corrective pullback. That's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.